How to use DALL-E 3 for free? Open Play Store and search for Microsoft Start. Tap on it and open the app. Give the permission according to your wish and then select the topics of your interest, or you can just skip it. Now tap on top left icon. Now tap to sign in and then sign in to Microsoft account. If you already have an account, you can use it. If not, tap on Sign In using another account. Now tap on Create One. Then enter your email, enter the password, and enter your name. Enter your details and enter the code you received on your email. Now prove that you are human by completing the CAPTCHA. After the verification is completed, go to Home page and then go to Apps and tap on Binge Image Creator. Now enter your prompt and tap on Join and Create. Four images will be generated. If you want to download the image, then tap on it and again tap for long and then tap on Download and you can download the image. You will get 15 coins to generate images. Each image generation costs you 1 coin. If you run out of coin, then you can earn points in Microsoft Rewards and use it, or you can wait till next week for recharge. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and let me know if you want any help in the comments section. Thank you.